Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I will show you how to create Mona Lisa inspired preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some examples photos before and after using the preset. You can download this preset for free from the link given in the description. Let's get started. First, go to Light. Adjust the exposure to -0.77. Contrast -58. Highlights down to -26. Shadows to 54. Bring the whites down to -63. And blacks to -61. Now adjust the curves accordingly. Next, go to Color. Temperature 9. Tint -12. 18 for Vibrance. Now go to Color Mix. Red, decrease hue by -18. Decrease the saturation to -25. Decrease luminance by -9. Orange, increase hue by 35. Increase the saturation to 8. Increase luminance to 50. Yellow, decrease the saturation to -46. Green, increase hue by 42. Decrease the saturation to -69. Cyan, decrease the saturation to -30. Increase luminance by 14. Blue, decrease hue by -21. Decrease the saturation to -56. Go to Color Grading. Shadows hue 74. Saturation 6. Highlights hue 60. Saturation 7. Increase blending to 100. Go to Effects. Bring down clarity to -5. Divas -7. Grain amount 16. Now go to Details. Adjust noise reduction to 30. Okay, done. Now you can clearly see the difference of before and after using this preset. Now let's copy these settings and try out on more photos.